Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to Skin Week. I am Zara, Bobbi Brown's pro artist in the UK, and I'm going to be taking you through my everyday makeup routine. I'm here in New York for Fashion Week, so I'm making sure to stay hydrated, stay dewy, and I'm going to show you how I do all of that. I have lots of very early mornings. I want to make sure that my under eyes are nice and prepped, so I'm going to start with my Instant Full Cover Concealer. Just sweep that right underneath, and I love taking it in any areas that I want a little extra coverage. So a little bit down the nose, sort of around the chin area, and if I have any little blemishes. Then I am going to go in with my full coverage touch-up brush. This is such an amazing brush because it really helps to blend out everything really easily. Already I look a lot more refreshed. My under eyes don't look so dark. So I'm going to use my favorite foundation, which is Intensive Skin Serum Foundation. I'm in the color Warm Natural. So I'm going to do one pump of that. And because I am someone who absolutely loves the glow 24/7 of my life, I'm actually going to go in with my Bare Glow Illuminating Balm. So one pump of that, as you can see here. And then mix those two products together, and then where I want the product, I'm just going to start to use my finger to pat it on, and then straight away with my full coverage brush, I'm just going to start to pat it into my skin, and then I'm just going to blend it out. Oh, it is so beautiful. It doesn't sort of get cakey on the skin, it almost just blends in perfectly and looks really seamless all over. I like my glow to look like it's lit from within, like it's underneath my skin rather than sitting on top of my skin. So I'm gonna go in with the Sunset Glow Highlighter. This is my absolute favorite. So just pop that on, right onto the apples of the cheeks. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm gonna go into Stick Foundation in Cool Almond. With my sheer powder brush, tickle the top of the foundation. And then a great tip is to always push the product into your hand, which means that you don't get too much product on your skin. And then take it onto my cheeks. Look how dewy that is. I am all about that glow. Let's get on to the eyes now. So I'm gonna start off with my brows. I am gonna go in with the Longwear Brow Pencil, and my color is in Espresso. So you always wanna start with just combing the brows up first, just seeing where your natural brow sits. And then as you can see here, I have a gap here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to fill in to that gap and just add a little bit of color. Amazing. And then just use it flat through the front. And then I'm just gonna comb it through, just to keep it nice and soft. And they are perfect, lovely. Now, I love to keep my eyes super natural, so I'm gonna go in with rose gold eyeshadow and also my sunlight eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with my eye blender brush, and I'm just gonna roll my brush into the rose gold, give it a little tap, and then I'm just gonna sweep it through the eye. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my Very Love Sparkle Shadow in Sunlight. So I'm just gonna take it with my finger and run it in. Okay, are you ready for this magic? You're just gonna sweep that through. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that sparkle. Oh, stunning. And now if you wanna be extra, because I am, you can go in to Sunflare Sparkle. I'm just gonna place a little bit of this on over the top. Look at that bad boy. I mean, come on. So just pat and sweep that through. So pretty. Now we're gonna go into my favorite smoky eye mascara. Tip for applying mascara. Get a mirror, take it underneath your chin, and then lift your chin right out and stare down into the mirror. This is gonna allow you to get right to the roots of your lashes and really lift up all the individual hairs. So pretty. All right, let's do the bottom now as well. So now I'm gonna lift up my mirror to the top, chin down and eyes up to the mirror. And I'm just gonna make sure I get all my lashes on the bottom This is just going to stop you from getting mascara all over the eye accidentally, because you know that happens all the time. So this is a really great tip to make sure that doesn't happen. Ta-da! So I'm going to finish up with my favorite color in the Crush Oil Infused lip glosses. This one is New Romantic, and I just love, love, love this color. And it just adds to my all over glow effect. Yummy. So pretty, easy to wear, feels like a lip balm, looks like a juicy, yummy gloss. I love it. I always finish my makeup with the Primer Plus 3-in-1 setting spray. This just really helps to make sure all my makeup stays in place, but also stays really dewy and hydrated. Okay guys, thank you so much for getting ready with me this morning, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.